Guangxi Zhengchai Generator Set Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional and experienced manufacturer of diesel generator set. Founded in 2011 and located in Yuchai Industrial Park A, Yulin City, Guangxi Province, Zhengchai has set up design, quality control, sales, and after-service department in Guangxi and Hainan Province. It is the OEM factory of Guangxi Yuchai Machinery, Stamford, Evotech, Anhui, Enga, DSE, Shenzhen Highway, SmartGen, Zhengzhou. It produces 3 kilowatt to 2,000 kilowatt generator sets, based silent style, open style, trailer, methane generator set, which can meet requirements of different voltages and frequencies, widely used in military, civil, marine, commercial, and other fields. Our products pass certification of ISO 9001, ISO 14001. Sincerely looking forward to your cooperation.